Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool amazing product right here in my hand. As you can see, basically what it is a very cool package for the brand Joakim Panda. And pretty much what is in here is a bunch of surprise stuff that has a value of around like $150 or more in here, but you guys are only paying for like $45 on here. But first thing first is actually open the box and see what they provided for us in here first. So it should be hard for me to like carry it and show it to you guys every single time, so I'm gonna do my best because it is a 20-pound box of stuff in here. Alright, so first open it up. This is basically what it looks like inside here. So there's a bunch of goodies. I don't want to tell you too much or everything will drop. So they provide you this little envelope right here that tells you guys like all the goodies and recipes and all different brands on here, so you can learn a little bit more about the brand and like help them out. Right here are all the snacks and stuff that is provided in here. So first thing we see right here is the mochi snacks. So this one is like a sea salt flavor, and these are some sriracha flavor right here. So these are like some mochi rice spice that pretty much looks like that, if you can see right there. Next we have some more mochi snacks right here, and these are like the tamarind teriyaki flavors, if you guys can see right there. Next we have some of these snacks right here from Sonoma Creamery, if you can see. They provide some dips peanut, if you can see. They provide some Chinese black pepper flava beans. Never had these before. It definitely looks really cool. They provide some Bob bars, if you can see right here. That is peanut and chocolate and oats. So if you've never had this brand before, you should definitely try it out. We have some Korean dream cakes. Very cool. Kind of remind me of like the cocoa or chocho pie. Provide us some lemongrass basil simmer sauce from the brand right there. They gave us some seasoning. I guess these are for like making tacos or just for seasoning in general. They provide us some olives. Very cool. So I guess they provided some grapefruit salt. Very interesting. Never heard of these before. So they provide us a little peanut butter cup. Very interesting. They provide some sampler of their sauce right here. You guys can see from the brand right there. So there's a honey sweet, and then there's a hot chili version of these. And right here they provide some almond butter cream. So I guess you guys can just squirt it on and put into like bananas, bread, or whatever you guys want to, like regular almond butter. And then right here we have some pickle ice. So I guess these are like popsicles but with pickle flavor on here. So you guys would need to like either eat it like that, or you guys can put it in the freezer to freeze it into like a popsicle. They provide this very cute little Joakim Panda logo with their hand sanitizer right here. Here's some beer salt lime flavors, so I guess you guys can use it for like alcohol or something. They provide some cocktail mix right here. Here's some organic udon noodles from the brand right here, very popular brand. So they provide us a lot of sauces and condiments. So right here is the extra virgin olive oil, and here they provide us some teriyaki sauce. They also provide us some broccoli beef sauce right here from this brand right here, Lake Kumki. And then they provide us some hoisin sauce, so you can use it for a lot of different stuff, especially pho. They also provide us some oat milk from the brand Rise. If you guys never tried them, you definitely should. And they also provide us some hot chocolate right here. They provide us some, I guess, strawberry carbonated drink. I guess this is like a Korean brand. Very cool. And then they provide us some French crepe mix right here. Very cool. And obviously you guys don't pour the milk in here unless you guys are planning to use all of it. You guys can just pour this out into like a bowl and mix it with the milk and everything. And they provide you guys like the recipe and how much to add in the back right here. And then they also provide us some veggie bowls with some quinoa. So there's a variety of like unhealthy stuff and healthy stuff on here. They brought us some cookies right here. I believe this is like a Korean brand as well. Right here they provide us some more snacks right here. So this is from Red Lobster. This is their cheddar bay biscuit mix. I usually see these at like Safeway and those food markets and everything, and I never got the chance to try one of these, so really cool how they sent one of these so I can finally try it out. They provide some coffee right here, K-Cup. So this brand, it has a lot of different flavors in terms of coffee and everything, but the one that they provide us right here is the vanilla nut. And the last and final thing that we have right here is ghee. Just open up and see what it looks like. So I guess this is like a type of butter or something. I never tried it before, but definitely looks really, really fancy. It's a clarified version of butter, and it's grass-fed, pasture-raised, and everything. So it said it's perfect for saute, sear, or you guys can put it onto toast. So really cool product. I can't wait to try these out. So that's basically everything that's provided for us in this box itself. You guys can see there's a lot of variety of stuff ranging from like snacks, sauces, noodles, like different cuisine, whether it's from like Asian, Korean, Mexican, American, like the list just goes on. There's just so many different types of stuff in here, and you guys won't really know what is in here because it's a mystery box. So basically you guys get a little bit of every different brand to try it out and see if you guys like it and be more aware of like different brand out there. And like the overall packaging of the product itself is kind of cute. It comes in this little big box that has a Panda logo, and it's called Joakim Panda. But that's basically everything that's in the packaging itself. So now that we do a quick unboxing of the packaging itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I think this is actually pretty worth it because of everything they guys get in here is like literally really expensive if you guys add everything up. So it's definitely a really good deal if you guys are planning to like try out different stuff and you guys want to be more like adventurous and see what is out there, especially since it's not like something that you guys know that you guys can get. Everything is all like a mystery, but everything in the mystery box is definitely gonna be worth it. If you guys saw all these stuff in here, it's actually really good. Like, I don't think there's anything in this package that opened so far that I don't think I'm gonna plan on using. I'm definitely gonna use everything in here and try everything out. So pretty much long story short, yes, this is worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want one or don't need one or have needs one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have